think we were waiting for the rest. It's going to be a full class today. There'll be 6 persons today. Okay, never mind. We try some of these on the board. Rahana, turn on the video, Rahana. Can you find what is X? Full face, lah, Rahana. I have to kick you out again, you know. You know, this week I've kicked so many students out. Your brother doesn't show full face. You don't want to show full face. How come you don't want? Yeah, I promise you next year you're not going to be in. This year maybe until mid-year ni lah. If you show half face, this year until mid-year, then after that you find another tutor. And you got your answer, Hen?
Just find what?
Which answer? Find X. Find X.
Is it 5?
Yes, 5. Okay, well done. All right, now we wait for another person coming in. Well done. Hayan, what's your answer, Hayan? Okay, fine. This one, come. Okay, number. Hayan, what's your answer for question 1? Okay, Sabrina, we're doing these 2 questions. Can you hear me? Okay, you try these 2 questions. Okay, there's another 2 more students coming in. Hey, what's the answer for 1? Can do not?
Oh, 5.
Okay. Number 2, I'll just rub off here. Okay, any other answers? Zahira can do, Zahira. Sabrina, you got answer for number 1? Can you get 5? My face blocking. Okay, question 1 and 2. Raihana, what's the answer for question 2? For Y? Oh, hey, and are you messaging me? All right. Hey, what's the answer for number 2? Zahira? Okay, I'll show you guys in case you're not so sure how to do this. Now you got to remember that the equal sign is like a seesaw. Okay, the equal sign is like a seesaw like that. When you have something on this side and it's balanced, let's say with this, The moment you add another weight here, you must also add another weight here to keep the balance. The moment you take out this weight, you must also take out this weight to keep the balance. Otherwise, it's no longer equal. So remember that principle, okay? So down here, this is your balance down here. This is your fulcrum. Okay, down here, you have down here like that. 2x minus 5 equals to 5. You want the letters to be on that side. The letters are 2x, right? So you want it to be on the left side. So what do? We have to get rid of this. How do you get rid of minus 5? Minus 5 is like a hole in the ground. So if you have a hole, to make it straight, you got to fill up the hole with sand or whatever. So you have to plus 5. You see, minus 5 plus 5 is 0. So if you plus 5 on the left side, you must also plus 5 on the right side. So this is what happens to your equation. It becomes 2x since 0 already equals to 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, 2x equals to 10. So x is 1x. That's 10 divided by 2. Take this, divide by this. 10 divided by 2, which is equals to 5. Okay, so you also do the same thing on this side. Okay, I'm going to give you the worksheets. The worksheets are actually from, at this stage, I found out in your books, the express and the normal syllabus actually are the same. Normally, the express one is more tough, more difficult. But for now, it's still the same. So that's why I combine the class where I will use both books. So where express need more help, we'll have extra lessons. So down here, same thing now. You have minus 3. How do you get rid of minus 3? You must plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 equals to 0. So you plus 3 on the left side, you must plus 3 on the right side. So y equals to 9. Okay, I hope you get it. We are now going to go through the worksheet, okay? Okay, this is taken from the express book. Oh, not so clear. This is x plus 50. Okay, we don't do the first one. I'll tick for you which one to do. This is stuff lah, tak nampak. Okay, this one. 5x equals to minus 55. Very, very easy one, Can you all do the first one, please? And this one. G minus 2x equals to, I will rewrite the question, okay? So sorry, about this. So this one is 5x. You can use your calculator. This one x equals to 42. All this you should be able to find the answers lah. This one minus 6x is equals to minus 84. Okay. If you have both express and normal academic books, you find that the questions are all the same for exercise 4. So yeah, so we are on the same. Okay, you can send me your answers, please, for these questions. Okay, you can send your answers. Anyone? Okay, Heian, F is correct. Heian, G is correct. What about Zahira and Sabrina? You know what to do. What happened to Raihana? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, okay, no problem, no problem. Okay. So, Sabrina, you know how to do now? Do you know how to do? Okay, maybe I'm going too fast, is it? Sabrina, you know the answer for F? This one? Okay, so we'll go through one by one, okay? So maybe I'm going through too fast with you guys. Okay, so now cost $55. 5 books cost $55. How to find one book? 1x like that. You want to find 1x. So divide by 5 lah. So minus 55 divide by 5. So you divide by 5, what do you get? You get 11. You get 11 down here. But remember, this is plus at the bottom. This is minus at the top. Minus and plus, remember the chart. Again, I refer to the chart again. Plus and plus is plus. This is a chart for times and divide. Minus and minus is plus. Okay. Plus and minus is minus. Oh. Minus and plus is minus. All right. So down here is minus and plus. Minus and plus. Sorry, minus and plus is minus. You must have a minus here. So imagine this is like 5 ice cream costs $55. 1 ice cream costs how much? You just divide now. Same thing down here. You see, but there's a minus down. So what to do? Okay, now you 1x lah, or minus 1x. You divide the 2 divide by 2. Now you not divide by minus the minus, right? So you get 21. Minus x equals to 21. Now how to get rid of the minus? Now remember the seesaw. We are on a balanced seesaw down here, seesaw. Whatever you do on the left, you must do on the right. The seesaw is represented, this fulcrum here is represented by the equal sign. So now how to get rid of minus, this minus, you times by minus 1 lah. You times by minus 1, minus times minus become plus. Then you must also times by minus 1 down here. So you get minus times minus become plus, x is equal to minus 21. Shortcut, what do I do? Shortcut, I say the minus you can bring over there, minus disappear from here, it goes there. So if let's say you have like this, minus x equals to minus 2. If you times this by negative 1, you also times this by negative 1. What happens? Minus times minus equals to plus. You get x equals to minus times minus equals to plus equals to 2. So down here, you can see now, if you get rid of the minus here, you get rid of minus here. Or you get it here, you bring over there. If they bring over there, got two minus, what? Become plus also. Okay, you will get used to it, okay? I'll give you the short way lah. What is the short way then? What is the short way is very simple, okay? I will now show you the short way again. Okay, if you don't understand, please tell me, please stop me, or send me a message here. I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, so the short way is down here. So now down here you have minus 2x. Why don't I just divide by minus 2x lah? I want to find what is x, right? This whole minus 2x now, I want to divide it, the 42 by it. So it's 42, positive 42 divide by negative 2. I take the whole thing, I'm going to divide it by that. Now there's no more minus here. So you still get 21. 42 divided by 2 is 21. And then, is it positive or negative? This is positive. This is negative. Positive divided negative is negative. So down here, we do again together. You don't want the minus 6 here. Get rid of the minus 6. So what happens to it? Minus 84 divided by minus 6. So what do you get? You get 14, is it? I think 14. If I'm not mistaken, it's 14. Huh? And then minus divided by minus is plus. So you don't need to write the plus here, but you don't put a negative sign because it's minus down here. Divide by minus. So it become plus. Remember this chart down here. Remember this chart is actually a times and divide chart. When you times the numbers or divide the numbers, you will use this chart for conversion. Okay, I hope you get it. We will go through the next one. Okay, we go through the next one. Okay, you try the next 4. Okay, you can see a 9x plus 1 equals to 82, 4x minus 3 equals 25, 7x plus 10 equals minus 4, 2x minus 9 equals minus 9. Where's the other 2? Okay, so here you got it correct. If you cannot see, you need me to write, please tell me. Zahira, you need me to write, Zahira? You can see, not? Okay, right now. Silence means not sure whether you can. 9x plus 1. Make sure you can see the screen. I hope you can see the screen. Down here, we want to find what is x. Okay, don't be so scared. This is your first time, it's okay. This is called an equation. Why? Because there's an equal sign. You try to do. Sabrina, you okay, Sabrina? Okay. Okay, I don't know, you all are very quiet. It's good that you're focused. But if you don't know, must tell me you don't know. Because that's the purpose of me being here. Okay, once you get answer, just send me your answers, please. What do you need to do? You need to bring the numbers over to the right-hand side. Those of you who are confused, remember, you got to bring this plus 1 over there. You got to get rid of the numbers here. You got to get rid of the numbers here. You got to get rid of the numbers here. You got to get rid of the numbers here. So what do you do? How to get rid of 1? Take it away. So take it away means what? Minus. How to get rid of a hole? You have to add in sand into the ground, a 3-meter deep hole. You got to plus something, make it 0. Whatever you do on the left side, you must also do on the right side. Okay? Anyone got an answer? Please tell me. Okay, use the chat. I'll use the chat function to send your answer. I'm getting no answer except for Hayan. I don't think it's because it's a male. Let's see, yeah. Anyone else? So Shafika, we are doing this. You're supposed to find the value of X. Okay, you can't do it's okay. I will show you in a moment. Zahira, you know what to do, Zahira? Unsure. Unsure, just shake your head. You're not sure. Okay, come. I will go through with you for this one. You'll check whether you can get it or not. Okay. So now what to do? What to do? Okay, let us see first. Here I send his answer for question number. Okay, let me see. Yeah, he says question number J. The answer is 7. Okay, let us see whether it's 7. So how do you get rid of this? You minus lah. Okay, there's sometimes your teachers in school may explain to you, bring this over to the other side. And then when you bring over, you must change the sign. Your teacher may tell you that, which is correct. But that is a shortcut. What is the long story? The long story is like this. We copy down like that. Why is it I need to tell you the long story so that you understand this is not a magic show? You have $1 here. You want to get rid of it. You minus $1 lah. You see, plus 1 minus 1 becomes 0, right? Right? Becomes 0. So I minus the $1. Okay, again, we have plus 1. Now I go in minus 1. Now what happened? The 1 has disappeared. I will be left with 9x. But remember, whatever you do to this side, you must be fair. You must also do it to the right-hand side. So you must also put a minus 1 here. You see, what did we do? This minus 1, we did to the left side. Now we do to the right side. Yes, correct. So what do you get? You have 9x left. Okay. And down here is 81. Can you see? 9x is equals to 81. What is x? X is not 7 now, Mr. Hayan. What times 9 equals to 81? Is 81 divided by 9 lah. 81 divided by 9 is not 7. It is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. So x is equals to 9. Okay, this is now the long way. Maybe for some of you, you understand the shortcut better. So I show you the shortcut now. Okay, shortcut, but don't get confused. If they ask for explanation, you can explain. You see, shortcut very simple. We do not want to have this number here. Okay, we don't want this number 1 here. We want only x. So we bring this one, we tapao it, bring it to over the other side. But when you go over the equal sign, plus becomes minus. 82. This plus 1 you bring over to the other side becomes minus 1. Can you see now? Plus 1 you bring over the other side becomes minus 1. So now you are left with what? 9x over here. So 9x equals to what? 82 minus 1? 81. 9x equals to 81. X equals to 81 divided by 9. Why divide by 9? Okay, if you do not know why divide, now you want to get rid of it. How to get rid? You must divide by 9 what on here. Then you see, get 1x. So how to divide the 9 on the left side? That means you must divide the 9 by 9 on the right side. So you get 9. Are we okay or not? I hope we are okay. We try now the next question. 4x minus 3 equals to 25. Find what is x. Shafika, the first step, Shafika, turn on your video, Shafika. Minus 3, you bring over the other side, or you get rid of the minus 3. Okay? All right? Get rid of the minus 3 on the left side. What happened to... yes, I cannot see. Okay. Raihana, you know what to do, Raihana? Yes? Okay, good. Sabrina, you know what to do? Yes, Hey, I don't need to ask you. You know what to do, right? Yes. Zahira, how? Zahira? I have to call everyone's name to know. To know already, you understand or not? Okay, this is where you make sure you master lah. Okay, by the time you go to school, you will finish mid-years punya paper and we will start practicing. Send me your answers, send me your answers. Husna, Shafika, don't turn off the video lah. This week, I've been getting people out of the tuition because they turn off the video because I don't know what they're doing. Unless you have people walking behind half naked, I understand. But of course, you must ask yourself, like, if you have full naked, then something is wrong. Here, what's your answer, here? You send your answer already,
Which question? Okay.
Now we are doing J. This one, we are doing this one, J. So you can do K, you can do L if you finish. Oh, J, you say 7. Okay, sorry lah, I read wrongly. Sorry, I thought you, okay. So now J, you say 7. Okay, correct lah. Here your answer is correct.
What are you supposed to find?
Yeah, okay, when they give you this, what is unknown? Unknown is X, correct? They want you to find what's the value of X. Find the unknown. Okay, you got to get used to this. Every time they give you something like this, I ask you to find the value. Evaluate, they say. Find the value. Evaluate means find the value. Or they say solve. What are you going to solve? You're going to solve the unknown. What is the unknown? We do not know what X is. What is the value of X? That's what you're supposed to find. Okay, every time if you see the word solve, they write like that. Solve. See what to solve. Okay, so now solve means you find the unknown. Sometimes there's X and Y. Sometimes X. Sometimes X, Y, Z. Depending, okay? If they say factorize, you don't need to find. If they say simplify, you don't need to find. If they say evaluate, solve,
you must find
to find.
For X
1x.
or only X?
X, what's the value of X? Always, you only find X. Don't find 4X. Zahira, you know what to do, Zahira? Alhamdulillah, what's your answer for J? Oh. 5.5. This one, you say 5.5, yeah? Okay. 5.5, you go in minus. How do you get rid of 3? When you bring over the other side, minus 3 becomes what, Shafika? Minus 3 you bring over, you see, plus you bring over become minus. Minus you bring over becomes plus. I know you're getting confused, don't worry. Sabrina, what's your answer, Sabrina? I don't hear from your chat any answers. Rahana, what's your answer, Rahana? Zahira, come tell the answers, come on. Don't know, you must tell me don't know. I'm not too sure. Only Shafika is the brave one. And Hayen, Hayen. Okay, Hayen, I know you've been sending me answers. Hayen, have you done until L already, Hayen? K, L, wow. Okay, Hayen, just a moment. Hayen, L, K is correct. L is correct also. Congratulations, Mr. Hayen. So, you got no problem. This is, as I said, it's taken from the Express book. And the Express book and the normal academic book for these few topics are roughly the same. Okay, we are going to go through J there. Sabrina, what's the answer for J, Sabrina? Do you know what's the answer?
Let me do.
Don't know. Let me do Miss who? Zahira.
Shafika.
Shafika. Okay, we do together lah, because the next one you do. This minus 3, you want to get rid of it. How? You plus 3. Huh? What do you mean plus 3? Because you were not here just now, so now you're going to be confused. You see, you want to get rid of it, how to get rid? You plus 3 lah. Now you got a lobang in your face. What do you got? A tampal ya, the makeup lah, example. You got to put in something, right? So you put in the 3. You got 3 holes. Now you put in 3 things inside your face. Example. So now no more
Is it
lobang.
7?
No. It is 7 years, correct. So the same thing down here. If you plus 3, you must also plus 3 down here. So 4x equals to 28. You want to find 1x or x. 28 divided by 4, which is 7. Okay. All right, now we move on to the next one. Okay, I'm going to clear this and then we go share screen again, so that here can do the bottom one. Otherwise, okay, here you can do the bottom one. You can see 7x plus 10 equals to minus 4. 2x minus 9 equals to minus 9. 2 minus 5x equals to 67. 11 minus 3x equals to minus 16. Sabrina, have you started on this in school? No. Shafika, have you started this in school? No. Hayan, have you started this in school? Yes. Zahira, have you started this in school? No. Rahana, have you started this in school? No. So no wonder lah, Hayan, you know. No lah, I'm joking. All right,
Is it negative 2 for K?
Negative 2 for K. Congratulations, Miss Shafika. Wow, she just come in. She's bullying the rest. Really. Be careful. Because she's the orang dari langit. Nur banyak. Rahana can do no, Rahana. What's the answer? You are nodding your head. What's the answer, Rahana? How to do, Rahana? I need to know. I need to get a feel. Do you understand? Don't understand? So that I can help. I don't want your help. Don't say that, Rahana. I want to help you.
Is L like 2?
This one. L. L, is it?
Yeah, wait. I check again.
We check again, okay. Cousin. Zahira, cousin. Last few lessons have not been paying too much attention. Now she the confused. Cousin, how to do this one, cousin? Zahira. Okay, we go through. Sabrina, you're confused, Sabrina? Okay, so now we do this one first. Now, Sabrina and Zahira, this 7x, we want it to be on the left. This one, we do not want it to be here. We want it to be on the other side, so that we can find out what's the value of x. So how? You can take this plus 10.
Sure.
We bring it over the
Mr. Shaheed.
equal sign, it becomes minus 10. What is it, Shafika? What's your answer?
Mr. Shaheed.
Yes, Miss Rayana.
Is M13?
M13. Okay, just yeah, congratulations. But is it plus 13 or minus 13? That's the question. So down here, we go back to this explanation. Plus 10, you bring over, becomes minus 10. Right? So now you owe mommy $4. You owe daddy plus, okay, I do not think it's plus. Minus 4, you owe $4, you owe $10, total you owe $14. Utang $14. Who utang $14? 7 children utang $14 to their parents. One child. Alamak, why angry? Asyik dapat salah, she get angry. Okay, never mind. We will check in a moment. So x is what? Minus 14 divided by 7. Can you see that? This is like 7 bananas cost $14. One banana, 14 divided by 7. So you divide, you get 2. But remember, this is minus, divide by plus, you get minus. Sabrina, okay? Zahira, okay? Okay, try the next one. We do the next one together. Again, Shafika, the next one, Shafika, you disappear already. Shafika, what to do? -9, what to do, Shafika? Or Sabrina, you bring over the other side, become what, Sabrina? You bring over -9 over the other side, becomes what? Zahira, Shafika,
-9 plus 9.
plus 9. -9 plus 9 equals to what?
0.
0. 2x equals to 0. X equals to what?
X equals to 0.
0 also lah, because 0 divided by 2 is also 0.
So the answer is
0
0.
divided by 10 also the answer is 0. Answer is, now I'm worried for Sophia, no? Because this one is the basic of algebra. Okay, we come to this now. We're going to check this one. Rayana, let us check now. Hey, and your answer 13 also, I think, is also positive. 13 is wrong, I think. Must be negative. Let us see. Now, first of all, we want what to be on the left side? We want the letter. And remember, the sign that is in front of it belongs to the 2 or belongs to the 5? It belongs to the 5. Down here, what's the number down here? What's the sign? Is plus. But you see, there's no sign. Remember, I told you many times, no sign means plus. No sign means plus. Now how? Now we're going to bring this plus 2. We're going to bring it over the equal sign. Plus 2, you bring over, become -2. So what do we have here? Oh yeah, okay. Minus 5x equals to 65. Then what to do? Divide. Now you get rid of this -5. How to get rid? How to get rid? Divide lah. Divide the 65 by -5. You say, how come? How come this -5 I don't bring over become plus? How come this 2 plus 2 I bring over become -2? How come this 5 I bring over it become divide? Very simple. What's the explanation? Look at this. Look carefully at the 5. Is 5 times x lah. Is 5 minus 5 times x. So when you bring over the equal sign, become opposite. What's the opposite of times? Divide. That's why it goes down here. Now down here now, this 2 is not times to anything. It's just plus 2. You bring over, become opposite, -2. Okay, you get it, huh? You see down here, this 5 minus 5 is -5x means -5 times x. When you bring it over the equal sign, it becomes divide. Okay, so you will get x equals to -13. Why -13? Because 65 is positive. 5 is negative. Remember the chart.
So
Positive
67
then
minus
you
2.
-2 down here. Remember the plus 2, you bring over the equal sign, becomes -2. 65 minus 2, 67 minus 2 becomes 65. Okay? Okay, now don't worry. Okay, at this stage, you will make mistakes. It's okay. Because why? You are getting used to a new system. If you watch imagine now you're entering a new world. Now letters become numbers. And then there's a whole new way of doing things. It's a little bit confusing. It's okay. It's okay. All right, now let's see now. What is Hayen's answer to the last one? Let's see. Anyone else got answer? He says for N, his answer is 30. 30, yeah. For P, okay. All right, right. Okay, so let us try. You try first. You take your time. You try to do. I will check through Hayen's answer first. He says is 30 or 13? -13, eh? Oh, -13 is for earlier one. This one you said 30. Let us see. I think 30 pun salah lah. Hayen, salah lah. Hayen. Hayen, I don't think it's correct, Hayen. I think calculation error. Anybody, yes. I'm afraid I sent wrong messages. The other day I sent a wrong message to him.
Is
So
N,
sorry, yeah.
is M negative 13?
Yes, negative 13, yeah, down here.
Okay.
The X, yes. Congratulations, Mr. Hayen. That is correct. And do tell your mom, sorry, the other day I was very sleepy. I go and send a wrong message. And that has happened to me a few times. Sometimes I send a very sensitive message. Huh?
Can the answer be fraction?
Can. Most certainly can. But in this case, so far there's no fraction yet. Because you're just starting, sometimes they don't give fraction. Okay, and then Hayen says your answer, Hayen, you are telling me your answer is fraction for the next one. P, you say 0.7. I'm not given the rest. Wow. I think you're correct, Hayen. O, you say the answer is yes, you're correct also, Mr. Hayen. Yours is the normal acad book, right? Same book. This is the express.
But need to do O.
Oh, you have the book. Okay, if you finish N, we do O. But Sabrina, what's your answer for N, Sabrina?
My answer is 9.
Your answer is 9. Is it minus 9 or plus 9, Shafika?
Plus
Different,
9.
huh? Plus 9. Plus 9 means you have money, $9, no. Minus 9 means you utang money. Okay, world of difference, huh? Imagine you go and borrow from a loan shark, you borrow money, then after you say you have money. Zahira. Macam mana Zahira? Can do not Zahira? Honestly. From the way you are, that thing is either you are listening to music or it's okay, we'll go through. Sabrina, do you get the answer, Sabrina? Sabrina, can do? Sorry? Cannot. Cannot. Repeat, I cannot hear, sorry. Can get. What's your answer?
For M.
For N. Means haven't yet nah. Okay, never mind. First thing, Zahira, we want to get rid of this 11. Remember, this minus belongs to the 3x. Remember, 11 is plus, no, down here, plus 11. We bring it over the other side. Once you bring over the other side, it becomes minus 11. Okay, minus 16. Aduh, sorry ya. Minus 16, you see down here minus 16 kan? You bring over plus 11, become minus 11. You utang $16.
For N is 9.
9. Okay, let us see. And I think you're correct. Here, maybe your answer is wrong. Huh? Minus 27. You're correct, Ms. Shafika. I'm wrong. So, can you see? You bring over the 11, becomes minus 27. Huh? You owe daddy $16. You owe mommy $11. You owe them altogether $27. How to find 1x? X is 1x. Minus 27 divided by minus 3. You get 9. Minus divide, you get 9. Hayen, your answer is minus 9 or 9? 9. You're correct. Well done. No lah. Minus 9. Minus 9 and 9. I'm got confused really. But you put minus 9. It's supposed to be plus 9. Okay. Sabrina, you get it? Okay. Okay, we move on to the next page. Okay, those who are doing the O and P, later you tell me what your answers are. Okay, because they're fractions and all. We go down. Can you see? You look at what they write on here. Solve. So, Miss Shafika, this is solve. Solve what? What to solve? That means find the unknown down here. What is X? You see what sort of maths is this? Remember, the ones who invented this are the Muslims. Al-Khawarizmi, he invented algebra. Algebra, right? Al-Gibar or Jabar or whatever something it is. So remember, don't blame anyone else. It is our own doing. We are the one who created very complex maths. With this maths, we can send spaceship to the moon. So let us try now. You try A and B. Try, huh? What are you supposed to do? Zahira, what's supposed to do? I want you to bring the letters on the left side, numbers on the right side. Bring the letters on the left side. Bring this 2x plus 2x, you bring over, become minus 2x. Bring the x you bring over, become minus x. Letters on the left side, numbers on the right side. Where is he? Sophia. Shafika can send your answers. Shafika, you got it ready? I can see. You are more and more confident, Shafika. That's very good. Raihana, your answers, Raihana, you can do, Raihana. From your answers so far, I know you can do. Ian, what about you, Ian? If people are wondering why I'm shouting at home. Sorry. I better mute myself. They say I'm like a madman.
How to do A?
How to do A? Okay, I'm going to show you how to do A. Okay, no problem. Okay. Now, Zahira, remember, we want the numbers to be on here. Number, that means this one, 25 to be here. This one is not considered, we call it letter. Lah. We don't want the letter to be here. Don't want. We bring it over that side. Lah. So 3x, this is positive 2x. You bring over, it becomes what? Negative 2x. Can you see? Positive 2x become negative 2x equals to 25. 3x minus 2x is x lah. Oh, the answer x equals 25 lah. Allahu Akbar, just like that. Yes, just like that. If you don't understand this one, I'll show you now seesaw method. Seesaw method. Seesaw method. This is your equal sign, seesaw method. Down here, you got 3x. All right, and down here, 3x. Down here, you got 2x and what? And 25. Now you go and take 2x out from the seesaw. You must also take out 2x from here. Why? Otherwise not balanced. When you take it out means you minus 2x. So you must also minus. So that's why now it becomes balanced state. X equals to 25. This is balance. Okay, you get it? You try now B. Try B. Sabrina, B, what must you do? Bring the X to that side first. Bring the X to that side. Bring the X to that side. Let us see. Let us see. Someone has sent me. Husna Shafia.
X minus 7x.
Yes. X minus 7. No. Bring this X there. Remember, we want the letter on the left side. Normally,
7x minus x.
X equals to
7.
7x minus 6x equals to 12. Congratulations, Shafika. And then X equals to 2. 12 divided by 6 is 2 lah, correct? Well done. Positive, yes, because positive. 12 divided by positive 6. So it's 2. Zahira, can Zahira? Okay, Zahira, do this with me now. Now, okay, we do together. Do this with me. Zahira, what to do now, Zahira? B, correct. All two. Okay, we'll go one by one. Zahira, jadi cikgu now. Cikgu. Letter move to the left. Number move to the right. Okay, what do we do? This minus 14, Zahira. Where do we do? Kita buang over the equal sign. Becomes what? Becomes what, Zahira? Unmute. Talk to me. Unmute. Tell me what happened. Tell me. Unmute. How come Sandy very silent, this girl? When I'm teaching in Shira, I can hear you shouting. Plus, don't mute first, okay. So now you have, see, minus 14 become plus 14. So 9x, now we don't want the 2x. 2x we don't want. What do we do, Zahira? What do we do, Zahira? This now, what do we do to the 2x? Bring over to the other side. This one now, buang. You bring over there becomes what? Ira. So, how come Sandy so shy? Hey, hello. When I'm teaching your sister, I can hear you shouting behind. No, please tell me now. 2x now, when you bring over the other side becomes what? This one is positive, Bring on negative lah. Negative 2x. Okay. So equals to 14. So 7x equals to 14. What is x, Zahira? X equals to how many? 14 divided by 7.
By 7.
Answer is 2. So the answer is 2 for C, 2 for B. D might be 2 also lah. Maybe, I do not know. Okay, we try D. We try D now. Raihana is the teacher now. Raihana become the cikgi. Raihana, come. Now, this one now, Raihana, more complex, Raihana. This number 1, we don't want. We bring over that side. So now, what is your equation? 5x equals to 4x plus 6 plus 1 becomes what? Plus 1 becomes what? You bring over there. It becomes? Cannot hear lah. Plus 1 becomes, you bring over there, becomes minus 1. So 6 minus 1, what's the answer?
5.
5, good. Okay, now this 4x. This 4x now we bring over that side. We bring over to the left because we want the letters on this side. So now 5x plus 4x now you bring over becomes what? No, she looking lah. Minus 4x. See lah, I'm talking to myself lah. Equals to 5. Down here 5. 5x minus 4x equals x. X equals to 5. How? We need more practice lah. Hayan, are you okay, Hayan? Hayan, you look as if you are stoned. Hayan. Yes. Yes,
so
yeah.
the 4x, it's plus 4x, right? Then
Bring over, become minus 4x. Okay, what does it mean? Okay, if you don't understand now, down here, look, I have 4x. This is a seesaw. I want to get rid of it. Get rid means I minus. If I minus the right side, I must minus the left side. So I must put minus 4x here also. Can you see? How do when I get rid of, let's say now, remember, imagine now this is you now. This is you, down here. Okay. Okay, this is now your brother lah, Shafi'i. Aduh, Shafi'i's head only lah. Hold on, Shafi'i's head is here lah. Okay lah, his head is straight lah. Okay, his head is here. Then you are carrying something, let's say you are carrying a bag. And he is carrying, let's say, some, I don't know what triangle is. If you get rid of this, you'll be lighter, no? It no longer equal, no? The seesaw will go up. He must also get rid of the same weight. So when I get rid of 4x here, I must also minus 4x here. Shortcut. When I say shortcut, what do I mean? You bring over that side, become minus. See, you bring over, become minus 4x, then minus 4x. Okay, we move on to the next one. Where is it?
E,
Sorry?
10. Is
Sorry,
E
3
10.
No, okay, wait. E, we have not shown yet. Hold on. Okay, if you have the book, Alhamdulillah. Okay, that's good. If you have the book, okay, E, we're gonna. All right, we try E, F, G, H. Hayan, I see you scratching your head. Are you okay? Okay, not Hayan. Come in over. Don't know. Smiling means what? What does it mean? I do not know. In the olden days, I saw a P.W. movie. Smiling is ada makna tu. Okay. You say your E is how many? 10 No lah, miss. Your sign. Wait. No lah, miss. No. Your sign. Masalah sign. Because of the sign transfer is wrong. Hayan, Chayo, Hayan, come on. Okay, we do E, F, G, H. Zahira, Raihana. Raihana, don't be angry and then you don't want to talk to me anymore. Okay, at the end of the day, I must teach you, right? So, come on, just tell me what's the answer, Raihana. You got the answer. I can see. 4. Maybe might be correct. Sabrina, you know what to do? Bring all the letter to the left side, number to the right side. Okay? You look as if you're going to fall asleep. Don't fall asleep. The only one who can inspire me here is one girl by the name of Shafika. Okay, you want inspiration? Look at her now. Up in the heavens, in the clouds. Oh, you got ready, eh? B2, belum lagi lah. Hen, are you confused, Hen? Yes, confused. Confused. Okay, then we do together. Hen, okay, come. Now you become the cikgu now. Okay, cikgu Hen. Rule is you want letters to be on the left side. Numbers, letters, you know what are letters? These are letters. These are already on the left side. Don't
The
need to
answer
worry.
-7.
Yes, correct. So Hen, this is it positive 8x or negative 8x? Come, unmute yourself. Don't mute. Hen, positive or negative now? Down here.
Negative.
This one negative, this one is positive now. But when you bring over, it become negative, because there's no sign. No sign means it's positive. You bring over the equal sign, it becomes negative. So now I'm going to write negative 8x here. Okay, I bring over the letter to this side already. So now how? Now I must bring over the number lah. So the number down here, this is -3, Hayan. I bring over, it becomes what? I bring over, it becomes +3, yeah? Now then we can simplify the 10x minus 8x. What's the answer here?
2x.
2x, you see down here? Allah, hold on. 2x, okay, down here. Okay, this is 2x. So now down here, -17 plus 3. Answer is -14 lah. Okay, how to do this? 17 minus 3 is 14. Follow the bigger sign. So now 2x equals to -14. X equals to -14 divided by 2, and then you get the answer lah, -7, as Shafika says. All right, now -14 divided by 2. So we get -7 lah. So what do we do? First, we get all the letters, the unknown to one side, numbers to this side. Why we do that? You did it in primary school also. In primary school, you might say 3 units equals to, let's say 30. You must also do like that, right? Why? So that you can find out the answer. Remember that last time you all have a question like that? I do not know whether you remember that. Minus plus 5 equals to 10, something like that. Okay, but anyway, never mind. This is the same thing. Now we try this one. Okay, we try this one. Remember, same thing. You can bring this over to this side, bring the 11, bring on that side. You can solve it. You can solve this. You can do this. Zahira, I cannot see you. Yes, don't lie down. I can see you. That's why I need to see your face. When you lie down, you want to go to sleep. I'm not lying down, That. Oh, you just backward. Sorry. I thought you were lying down. Hen, what's happening, Hen? I see you there. You got answer for F? You know what to do, Hen?
It's F6.
F is 6. Let's see. +6 or -6? But you're good.
-6.
Congratulations, Miss Shafika. You're from which madrasah? Aljunied. Hey, everyone, Arjunet is leading us now. Okay, please. All right. Those, and she's from the madrasah. Madrasah, hebat. Okay, we have another Hian coming in. Why is Hian out? Hian, you know what to do, Hian? Yes, no. You don't know, must tell me, you bring the letters to the left side, numbers to the right side. Zahira, you know what to do, Zahira? Then what's the answer? You say it like that, okay. So I want to know what, huh? Still doing. I still doing. Okay. It's English, huh? It's okay. Sabrina, you know what to do? Can do? Can. So what's the answer? Still doing also. Still doing. Everyone else still doing. Rahana, what about you, Rahana? Rahana, every time you say 5. G. Hold on. G must expand first. Take 2 times 4x, 2 times 1.
Is it decimal?
No, I don't think so lah. Maybe decimal lah. Maybe yeah. Could be decimal. Okay, we're gonna do this together. Okay, Sabrina, you tell me what to do, Sabrina, now. For this one now, what do? We want to bring letters on this side. So now this -3 now, we bring it to that side, becomes 3x, 3x, right? Plus 3x. Minus, bring over, become plus what? So now I'm going to write it like that. Why? Easier for you to see. This 11 is plus 11, right? So I'm going to write plus 11 now here. I just rearrange the numbers so it looks easier for you guys. Can you see not? 3x minus 3x, I bring over to the front down here. And then this plus 11, I just shift it just down here lah. Why I do this? So that you can see this. 3x minus 2x, what is it, Sabrina? 3x minus 2x. Sabrina, 3x minus 2x. X. And then this 11, Sabrina, 11. We want to bring to that side. You bring over, it becomes what? Minus 11. Correct? Okay, this one, how come you confused? Plus 11, bring over, become minus 11. If you're confused, then I got to show you seesaw method again. Okay, I'll show you seesaw method. Answer is -6. So what to do now down here? Okay, now again, I'm now going to, you have 11 here, minus 2x. Okay, equals to 5 minus 3x. Now, we want to get rid of what? This thing on this side. For minus, to make it plus, 0, you plus 3x. Okay, when you plus 3x minus 3x plus 3x equals to 0. Can you see now? 3x minus 3x equals to 0. But when you plus down here, you must also plus down here. So I plus 3x here. Why am I doing? Because I plus both sides. So I plus down here, I plus down here. So now we simplify it now. Down here now, no more x, left 5. Down here now, 3x minus 2x, left with x, plus x. Why plus x? Because it's bigger. But you have $3, you minus $2, you left $1 plus. Now what you going to do down here? Now I want to minus 11. Why minus 11? I want to get rid of this 11. If I minus 11 here, I must also minus 11 here. So I get x equals to -6. Some of you may understand this method. You choose this way. Some of you will prefer bring over, minus, plus, whatever it is. You use this method. Sabrina, you understand this method, right? This one not so sure, right? So you use this method. This is actually the real method. This method is actually the real method. But as you do this over and over and over, you will realize when you take a minus number and bring over there, it becomes plus. When you take a minus plus number, you bring over there, it become minus. And you see? It's the same thing. Okay, all right. We move on. So the answer is -6 now. Okay, we go to G now. G. We want Hayen to explain G. Hayen. Step 1, Hayen. What do we do? Come, we go through. Hayen, we got to expand. Expand. You know how to expand, Hayen? Expand means this times this. Have we done this before? Yes, right? This times this. Maybe the express one have not, because I think maybe a lot of absentees. Hayen, come. 2 times 4x. What's your answer, Hayen? 8x, and then the 1, also 2 times 1 equals to 2 times 1 is what? Here. 2, 2 times 1. So 2 times 4, 8x. 2 times 1, 2. So now this is equals to 16. In this case, you need to expand first. This is called expansion. So I'm going to ask now one by one. Zahira, have you learned expansion? Did I go through with you? Expansion like that? Ting. Have gone through now? Sabrina, do you remember me going through? No, huh? Yes, sir. Okay. Shafika, did we go through together expansion? The way you're looking? No. Okay, maybe you learn at school. Okay. So down here it means you got to multiply. Yeah. You see, whenever you have 2 x like that, this one, what does it mean? It's 2 times x. So you have 2 bracket. What does it mean? It means 2 times the bracket. If 2 times the bracket means must times this one, must times this one also. So now you got plus 2 here. You can bring it over. It becomes minus 2. 16 minus 2. So you got 8x equals to what? 14, you know. Now you're going to get decimal or fraction. Okay, x equals to 14 divided by 8. What is the answer? The answer is 1 and something. 1 whole
1.75.
or 1.75, okay. Equals to 1.75, okay. Or 1 whole and 6/8, which is the same as 1 whole and 3/4. By simplest form is 1 whole and 3/4. Okay. All right, we do the next one then. Okay, we have half an hour more. This is just the intro lah. Okay, Zahira come. Zahira jadi cikgu now. Okay, Zahira. What do we do now? We go to expand now. -6 times x and then -6 times -1. Let us go now. -6 times x, what's your answer? She's waiting for me to write. -6x. -6 times -1. Minus times minus equals to?
I am basic.
Plus 6. Equals to 18. Then what do we do, Zahira? Down here we want letters. Down here one number. This plus 6 you bring over there. Becomes -6. 18 minus 6 equals to what? 12. Minus 6x equals to 12. X equals to what? X equals to 12 divided by -6 is equals to 12 divided by 6 is 2 plus divided by minus -2. Okay, we need to practice more lah. From your reaction, I can see that this one is something very foreign.
Is the answer for H -2?
Yes, -2 there. Congratulations, Miss Shafika. Congratulations. Okay, we will go through the next one. They say someone sent me a message. Hold on. -2, congratulations. Okay, so we move on to the next one. Okay, don't give up yet. Don't give up. Okay. Whoa. Is this the one? Oh, okay. Can see, we do now. IJKL. What do we need to do? We need to expand first. Expand. And after that, put the letters on one side, numbers on the other side. Okay.
Is the answer for I 0.75?
0.75, just a moment. Let me just check. Yeah. This says 2 point something. 2 point something. Sometimes you want to keep, the main thing is you keep the letters one side, numbers another side. If for this question, it's easier to put the letter on the right side, keep the letter on the right side, no problem. I leave it to you. Shafika, what's the answer again? You say 1.5.
0.75.
No, it's not 0.75. No. It's 1 point something. Okay, anyone else got answer?
I got 15x minus 10.
15x minus 10, correct. So now bring the minus 10 to the left side now this time. Leave the 15x there. Bring the minus 10 to the left side.
So you don't 30 plus negative 30 plus 10 or
40.
negative 10.
No, because now your okay, this side. Down here, okay, okay, we do together. Almost getting there, Sabrina. Okay, now, so now down here, you times out, right? What you times out, you get 5 times 3, 15x, right? 15x. Oh, sorry, let me write it again. 15x. And then this one, 5 times 2, 10. This is plus, right? Plus times minus, minus. So now down here, I will choose not to bring this over. Always I tell you number, a letter on the left side. Now I do not want to bring the thing on that. Why? And I bring over there become minus 15, headache. I don't want to have headache. I just bring this number, I bring it that side. Minus 10, bring over that side, become plus 10. So now I have 30 plus 10, 40 equals to 15x. Which is the same, means 40, down here is 40, right? So I write now, 15x equals to 40, same thing, what? Can you see how I do it? I do not want to bring this over that side, become minus 15. I just do now down here, 15x equals to 40. See, 15x equals 40, there I write 15x equals 40. X equals to 40 divided by 15. So 40 over 15, what do you get? You can divide, you can divide by 5. You can use your calculator, you get 2 something. Okay, divide 15. Divide by 5, you get 3. Divide by 5, you get 8. This is 2 and 2/3, or 2 and 2/3, or you can call it as 2.666666. Means you put down here the dot, you can put a dot down here, recurring number, 6666666. This is your answer. So in this exercise,
It's 2.66.
666
7.
7, yes. You can put up to 667 again. Okay.
You can put it
2 and 2/3, you can write.
Yeah.
2 and 2/3, you can 2.6 with a dot on top. Again, you want to put 2.67 or so, no problem. Now, for those of you say, but I'm now confused, because there's no use to bring the letter of that side. Okay, then we do with letter on that side. Okay, for those of you, because sometimes students say, you tell me one thing now, you tell me another thing. So can you just be consistent? Okay, no problem. So now we do the same thing. This time I'll bring the letter over that side. So I have minus 15x on the left side. Why? Because plus 15x here, I bring over there, become minus 15x. And then I bring the 30 over lah. This is minus 10, right? Minus 10. And then down here, 30 you bring over, become minus 30. So you get minus 15x equals to, you owe $10, you owe $30, you owe $40. Almost the same, you see. 15x equals to 40. So minus 15x equals to minus 40. But then you just find what is x. How to find what is x? Minus 40 divided by minus 15. Your calculation will still be the same. Minus divided by minus, your answer will be plus 2 and 2/3. Same thing. See why it become plus? Minus divided by minus give you plus. Your final answer is the same. So you want, yes, Rahana. Is that you? Who's it? Someone call me? Yes, Rahana. Someone call me. Okay, we play hide and seek. Okay, now we try the next one now. Same thing, you expand first. Hayan can do no Hayan. Are you okay or not? Sure. Okay, try. Never mind, you are getting used to this. No problem. This is part of the journey. Okay, remember what I tell you all the time. When you get to something new, you will be confused. Yeah.
And a half.
4.5 for J, is it? All right, let me check. If you're correct, you might get
Plus 4.5.
4.5. Wow. I have not even done. Hold on now. Minus 4.5 or plus 4.5? 4.5 is correct. Minus or plus?
Plus.
Plus. Sabrina, plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus. Sabrina say minus. Shafika say plus. Let us see who's correct. Juliet, don't let down your school. Sabrina, which school are you from? Sabrina. What's the name? What? Newtown. How come the way you say Newtown is like, Newtown? It's as if you are so fed up with your school. All right, so is it minus or plus? Well, the book says it's minus. So let us see. We'll go through it in a moment. What about Zahira and Hayan and Raihana? Okay. Hey cousins, why you off your video, cousins? I will lock you up, I promise you. Just another 5 minutes more, I'll lock you out. Okay, so let us check. So far, all those who did not turn off your video, you're very good. So you times minus 14x. Because those who always turn on the video, I have to deal with them, Deal what? Otherwise, you influence the rest to also turn off the video. So I have to do something to them. All right, so when you times out, minus times plus, get you minus, minus times plus, give you minus, and then what to do? For me now, I like to bring this over that side because I don't like the minus number. I bring over here, I get 14x. Okay. And this 14, I bring it over there, becomes minus 14. So let's see now, 59, 63, is it? 63 minus 63. 14x equals to minus 63. X equals to, is it correct? 4.5. Hold on. 63 divided by 14. Yeah, 4.5. Okay. So negative 63 divided by positive 14. Negative divided by 40, positive, you get negative 4.5. Congratulations, if you get it, well done. Okay. So,
I don't understand how to do K.
okay, all right, okay, just a moment. Turn on your video, turn on your video, please. Okay, once you turn off your video, it will cause others to be influenced. Then I got to take action. My cam suddenly cannot open. Aduh, betul ke Zahira? Okay, all right, I take your word for it. Okay. For this one, okay, you try. Okay, times out first. 4 times 9, 36. 4 times 4, 16. Then you bring. What's your answer, okay? Negative 1. Careful. Sabrina, once she catch up, she'll bully everyone. No? Right, Sabrina? True. 5. Negative 1. Congratulations. I'm telling you now, be careful. Hayan, hurry up, Hayan. Okay, then you try the next one. Okay, Zahira, I understand. Is it difficult or not, Sabrina? No, right? But once you forget, after this lesson, you don't practice habits. You come back again because you missed 2 lessons, right? So I can see you as you're coming in, you're wondering what world is this? You must practice on your own. That means you're not been practicing.
Negative 5.
Negative 5. Okay, how come so fast this lesson ni? This is a drink chicken essence. Correct, well done. Congratulations. Okay. Then you can do the next one. You can do the one at the bottom. Can you see what's at the bottom? Cannot. Okay, hold on. I'm going to shift this thing up so that you can see. You can do M lah. Let M be the last one. Don't be scared by this. Just don't look at the bracket. Alamak, this type of bracket. Don't know what type of bracket. Okay, I'm going to go through. We are running out of time. All right, let us see whether we can do the last two questions. Down here, you also times down here. Hey, have we gone through this one? Not yet? Did we go through K? Not yet, right?
Is it 1?
Your answer is 1.
Yeah.
M, congratulations, is 1. Okay, be careful now. You already naik pangkat dah. Okay, so down here, you times get 16 equals to... did I go through this just now? No, right? K, not yet, right? No, okay, so we will... I'll just run through very quickly. Equals to 19 minus 1. Bring the 16 over this side. You get minus 1 minus 16. Okay, minus 1 minus 16. And then this one now, I use different color. This one we bring over there. 19x you bring over here because minus 19x. So when you minus, how much you get? This is minus 17. You owe $1, you owe $16, you owe $17. And this is 17x equals to minus 17. X is equals to minus 17 divided by 17. And the answer is minus 1. Okay. Now, for this one also, I'll just run through 21x over here. M, I'm not showing, I'm just showing until L, okay? 21x equals to 3 times 8, 24x. Yes.
N.
N? How what's your answer for N?
Negative quarter.
Negative quarter, okay, just a moment. Okay, this one is 24x plus 15. Okay, so now you can bring it over, up to you. Okay, we can bring this over lah. Okay, 21x minus 24x is equals to positive 15, no problem. Okay, and then what happened? This one become minus 3x equals to 15. Then 15, you want to find x, 15 divided by negative 3, and you will get what? You will get minus 5. Okay, so minus 5. Now, for Sabrina's thing, for n, your answer is n. What's your answer again?
Negative quarter.
Yes, correct. Okay, negative quarter. Okay, for next lesson, because some of the students are coming back later, can we start at 8 o'clock, okay? 8 to 9:30. But today we started at 7:45, so we end at 9:15. Next week, next Friday, 8 o'clock to 9:30. Okay, try not to miss any class, because once you miss, it can be very confusing. All right, so don't worry. At this stage, normal academic and express is about the same syllabus. Once the syllabus differs, I will make adjustments. Okay, you don't need to worry. Okay, don't worry. Don't say, hey, Mr. Shaheed, I mean normal academic. You are teaching me express, or you express. How come you teaching me easy stuff? At this stage, if you check the book, is more or less the same. You see, just now, Hayan was holding the normal academic book he was doing. The questions are the same. This is the express book. It's the same questions, even they give in the book. Okay, so we catch up with each other again next Friday. All right, there's nothing on Sunday. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye. Take care.